Looking for the perfect solution to keep your furry friends safe and comfortable? Best dog crates for home provide durability, ease of use, and a cozy space for your pet. Discover the top choices for every household today. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Midwest Homes for Pets 36-inch Dog Crates for Home. The Midwest Homes for Pets 36-inch Dog Crate is an exceptional choice for dog owners seeking a safe, reliable, and versatile crate for intermediate breeds. Designed with your pet's comfort and security in mind, this crate includes newly enhanced slide bolt door latches with patented paw block and locking tips, providing added protection to prevent accidental openings. Measuring 36L x 23W x 25H inches, it is ideal for dogs weighing between 40 to 70 pounds. The crate's thoughtful design includes a divider panel, allowing owners to adjust the space as their pet grows or to accommodate multiple dogs with varying sizes. Additionally, the leak-proof plastic pan makes cleaning hassle-free, while protective rubber feet ensure the crate remains stable without damaging floors. Assembly is straightforward, requiring no tools, and the crate conveniently folds flat, making it portable and suitable for travel. Durability is a highlight of this model. Its sturdy construction ensures a secure den-like environment where dogs can relax comfortably. Large door openings, proper ventilation, and rounded corner clips contribute to a safer and more user-friendly experience. Beyond its physical design, the brand offers reliable customer support based in Indiana, ensuring owners have access to assistance whenever needed. This crate seamlessly combines functionality, safety, and convenience, making it an ideal investment for pet owners who prioritize both their dog's well-being and practical home solutions. Its robust build and thoughtful features make it one of the top options for creating a secure and comfortable home environment for dogs, offering peace of mind to owners. Number 2. BOLDBONE Dog Crates for Home. The BOLDBONE Dog Crate stands out as a heavy-duty solution for dog owners seeking strength, security, and durability in a home crate. Crafted from upgraded 20-gauge steel and reinforced with 0.5-inch diameter steel tubes, this crate is designed to withstand strong, large, or anxious dogs that may attempt to escape or chew their way out. Its double slide bolt latches provide additional security, making it virtually indestructible while ensuring your dog remains safe indoors. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, the crate is coated with a non-toxic, hammer-tone finish that resists rust and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting performance. The thoughtful design extends to usability. Wide double doors with low thresholds make it easy to feed, clean, and interact with your dog, while the removable tray and leak-proof plastic pans simplify maintenance and keep your home clean. Assembly is convenient, as most components come pre-assembled, allowing a single person to set up the crate in about 10 minutes. Moreover, the 360-degree swivel caster wheels with brakes offer effortless mobility, while the foldable structure ensures easy storage when not in use. Beyond functionality, BOLDBONE emphasizes. This crate is an excellent choice for pet owners who prioritize a secure, long-lasting, and practical solution for large or energetic dogs. Combining durability, ease of maintenance, and thoughtful design features, the BOLDBONE Dog Crate delivers a safe, comfortable, and reliable environment for dogs, making it an essential addition to any home where pets need a secure space. Number 3. Midwest Homes for Pets Dog Crates for Home. The Midwest Homes for Pets Dog Crate in the XS size is a thoughtfully designed solution for small dog breeds, providing a safe, comfortable, and versatile space. Measuring 22L x 13W x 16H inches, this crate accommodates dogs up to 12 pounds, making it ideal for tiny breeds or puppies. As with other Midwest crates, this model incorporates enhanced security features, including a slide bolt door latch with patented paw block and locking tips, ensuring your pet remains secure while inside. The crate comes equipped with a divider panel, allowing owners to adjust the interior space as the pet grows, and a durable, leak-proof plastic pan facilitates easy cleaning. Protective rubber feet stabilize the crate and prevent scratches on flooring, while the carrying handle and foldable design make it portable for travel or temporary relocation. Assembly is quick and simple, requiring no tools, which is a significant convenience for pet owners. Designed for both comfort and functionality, this crate provides proper ventilation, large door openings, and rounded corner clips, creating a safe and den-like environment where small dogs can rest and relax. Beyond its physical design, the Midwest Homes for Pets crate is backed by responsive customer support based in Indiana, adding peace of mind for pet owners. This crate combines practicality, durability, and security, making it a reliable choice for small dogs that need a safe, comfortable space within the home. Number 4. Snuowu Dog Crates for Home. The Snuowu Dog Crate is a premium choice for pet owners looking for a heavy-duty, large-scale solution to safely house strong or powerful dogs. Constructed with high-strength metal, this 48-inch crate is much more robust than typical wire cages and can support a maximum load of up to 400 pounds. Its durable construction ensures that even large, active dogs remain secure, making it ideal for owners of breeds with high energy levels or separation anxiety. The crate features a foldable design, allowing it to be set up within 5 minutes without complicated assembly. A slide-out tray helps catch any mess, simplifying cleaning and maintenance for busy pet owners. One of the most convenient features of the Snuowu crate is its flexible mobility. It comes with 4 high-quality 360-degree smart locking rolling wheels, allowing for easy relocation of the crate anywhere in the home. The lock function on the wheels ensures stability when stationary, preventing any accidental movement that could stress or injure your dog. This crate strikes a balance between strength, safety, and convenience, making it a versatile option for indoor and outdoor use. Number 5. YaFiti Dog Crates for Home. The YaFiti Dog Crate offers a unique blend of functionality, style, and practicality, making it an ideal choice for pet owners who want more than just a simple dog crate. Crafted from high-quality wooden boards combined with 0.2-inch steel tubes, this crate is both sturdy and chew-resistant, ensuring durability and safety for your dog. The design is versatile, allowing the crate to double as a side table, coffee table, or bedside table, integrating seamlessly into home decor while providing a safe space for your pet. The crate features a double-door design with both a front and side door, giving flexibility in placement and allowing your dog to enter and exit with ease. For added mobility, YaFiti offers 2 installation options: 360-degree lockable wheels for easy movement or fixed non-slip feet for stable placement. The upgraded door lock ensures security while minimizing noise, and the included soft cushion provides a comfortable resting area for your dog. With interior dimensions of 29L x 19.6W x 22H inches, it is suitable for small to medium-sized dogs weighing up to 45 pounds. The top surface can also support up to 200 pounds, allowing owners to use it as functional furniture. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.